Benefits of walking 5, 30, and 60 minutes a day. Walking stands as a simple yet potent exercise to enhance overall health, requiring no equipment and adaptable to any location. Whether you're a seasoned walker or just starting, understanding the impact of different durations can inspire your fitness journey. Let's delve into what unfolds within your body during 5, 30, and 60 minutes of walking. Walking for 5 minutes. Even a brief 5-minute stroll sparks wonders for your body. In moments, your heart rate rises, facilitating improved blood circulation. This surge in blood flow delivers vital oxygen and nutrients to your muscles, enhancing their function. A short walk is an energy booster, setting a positive tone for your day. Walking for 30 minutes. Committing to a daily 30-minute walk elevates the stakes, fostering a stronger cardiovascular system and aiding in calorie burning for weight management. This routine significantly lowers the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease, diabetes, and certain cancers. Walking for 60 minutes. For those with the luxury of time, a 60-minute walk amplifies the benefits. This extended session enhances overall fitness, boosts metabolism, and fortifies bones and muscles. Beyond physical gains, a 1-hour walk reduces stress, improves sleep quality, and fortifies the immune system. Regardless of the duration, the key is to make walking a daily ritual. Integrating these strolls into your routine unlocks a multitude of health benefits, from mood enhancement to reducing the risk of chronic diseases. So, whether it's 5 minutes or a full hour, lace up those walking shoes and step into a healthier you. If you enjoyed this journey through the benefits of walking, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness insights. Let's keep moving towards a healthier, happier lifestyle together.